What's up? It's your girl Shay Shay MUA, and guess I thought today would be an awesome day for me to do a natural look. So I wanted to let you guys know that I discovered a brand called Moira or Moira. I hope that I am pronouncing this correctly. When I tell y'all that this line is everything, I love my MAC, but I must be honest with you all to say that this product is for real, for real. The pigment of this brand is just phenomenal. I discovered this product at Beauty Masters on Mount Zion, and when I tell y'all, like, the colors are amazing, the highlights are amazing, like everything is just simply amazing. And this is one of the palettes. This is Moira Cosmetics, and it is the bomb. And when I tell y'all that this palette is everything, it is everything. I'm not even playing. Like, the pigment and the shadows are like super bomb, and the highlight super bomb, and the blush is super bomb. So this is what this particular palette looks like. Not only eyeshadow palettes, they have highlight palettes, they have skin products like to, you know, take off your foundation, prep your skin, like, and it smells so good. Like, I'm not even lying. I just wanted to let you guys know that. So before I keep rambling, let's just get right into this tutorial, okay? popping. And here is the finished look. Yes! Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I really hope that you enjoyed this first impressions tutorial of Moira. It is bomb. Like, I kid you not. So they have, I think, about maybe 5 palettes, maybe 6. They also have skin cleansing products as well, moisturizers. So they have everything. So if you would like to go and purchase this product, as I mentioned before, I got it at Mount Zion's Beauty Master. So go guys, go pick this up. It is an amazing product. I kid you not. Like, I stood there, I don't know how long, contemplating on if I should purchase every single thing. But yes, go and pick this up, ladies. It is phenomenal. And like I always say, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And until next time, keep smiling.